One of the most popular and classic fast food recipes is for homemade cheeseburgers. Here's a simple and delicious cheeseburger recipe that you can make at home. Ingredients. For the burger patties: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground beef, 80% lean is recommended for juiciness. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 hamburger buns. 4 slices of cheese, American, cheddar, or your favorite. For the toppings: sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, lettuce leaves, pickles, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise. Instructions. Preheat your grill or stovetop skillet to medium-high heat. While the grill or skillet is heating up, divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions and shape them into burger patties. Season both sides of each patty with salt and pepper. Place the burger patties on the grill or skillet and cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side for medium rare, or longer if you prefer your burgers more well done. During the last minute of cooking, add a slice of cheese on top of each patty to melt. While the patties are cooking, split the hamburger buns and lightly toast them on the grill or in a toaster. Assemble your cheeseburgers. Start with the bottom half of the toasted bun. Add a lettuce leaf, a slice of tomato, a slice of onion, the cheese-covered patty, pickles, and condiments of your choice, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Top with the other half of the toasted bun. Serve your homemade cheeseburgers hot with your favorite side, such as French fries or a salad. Feel free to customize your cheeseburgers with additional toppings or condiments to suit your taste. This recipe provides a classic and delicious fast food experience in the comfort of your own home. Enjoy!